Top 5 TV episodes on this day in history. October 31st. Year 1963. Episode: The Twilight Zone, Nightmare at 20,000 Feet. This iconic episode featured William Shatner as a man who sees a creature on the wing of an airplane, symbolizing paranoia and fear. It remains one of the Twilight Zone's most memorable episodes. Year 1978. Episode: Halloween Movie Premiere. The premiere of the horror classic Halloween by John Carpenter redefined the horror genre. The character of Michael Myers became a lasting figure in horror cinema. Year 1992. Episode: Roseanne, Halloween 4. This Halloween special from Roseanne was a fan favorite, blending humor and spooky elements in a way that became iconic for the series. Year 2007. Episode: The Big Bang Theory, The Middle-earth Paradigm. This Halloween episode highlighted the personalities of the show's main characters, featuring memorable costumes and the social awkwardness that defined the series. Year 2010. Episode: Modern Family, Halloween. In this episode, Claire goes overboard with Halloween decorations, capturing the holiday spirit and creating a beloved seasonal episode. Which aspect interests you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. For more history insights and compelling stories, subscribe, like, and share.